entry. Now we will start with the numerical portion. This question: Mr. Ram and Son is leased of a mine on a royalty of 2 per ton of coal raised with minimum rent of 16,000. Mr. Ram and Son. Mr. Ram and Son here is a lessee. Who is the lessee over here? Mr. Ram and Son is a lessee. Royalty is rupees 2 per ton. Minimum rent is 16,000 per annum. And he has a power to recoup the short working amount during the first 2 years of the lease only. Means in the first 2 year only, he has a right to recoup the short working amount or the royalty reserve amount. The output were given. Output for 2018 is 5,000 ton. Out